Italian words that has letter C soft sound. Centro, center, cerotto, band-aid, cento, 100, cena, dinner, cesto, basket, aceto, vinegar, pace, peace, ciao, hi, hello, cheetah, city, camicia, shirt, China, China, cucina, kitchen, ciabatte, slippers, cioccolato, chocolate, chucho, pacifier, cello, sky. Please like, comment, and share my videos. Thank you for watching.